And hello again, and here we are looking down on a rather rusty exhaust system in the back of my car. And I must say, I am in doubt whether it's worth saving this particular exhaust system because it is pretty far gone. But then again, it is quite a rare system now. It is in fact a 4-in-1 system from Harris Performance to fit a Kawasaki Z650. And I want to try and fit this to my green F2 project. But that said, as you can see, it's pretty far gone. So these are pretty rusty, and while the silencer there doesn't look too bad, at the 4-in-1 collector things are not looking too good. So let me show you the rust at that point on the collector. And so this area of the collector was blasted to remove all the rust and all the subsequent holes filled with weld. Not an easy job because access is very difficult, but we got there in the end. Doesn't look too good, but hopefully when it's finished and on the bike you won't even notice this area here. And so next I'm going to take the whole system over to Camcoat, who are quite local to me, where hopefully they can prep it and give it a good coating of high-tech black ceramic. Now the only good news is that although these downpipes are really rusty, they're made from really thick metal, so I think we've got no problems worrying about, you know, sort of burning through the metal and going all the way through, because you ain't going to do that with these pipes so thick. Yeah, so next then, we might see these again when they come back from Camcoat, and hopefully looking pretty damn good. And now here we are, it's a few weeks later, and the exhaust system has come back from Camcoat. So let's have a look in here for the first time. Ooh. Obviously this is a sort of satin or matte black finish. This is a ceramic finish. So there's a pipe. Not sure you can see that too well. Which looks better than I expected actually. That was so rusty when I left it. But that looks a lot better. Happy with that. And of course here we have the rusty old baffle. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And there's the area that was welded. Now you won't be able to see that on the bike, so I'm pretty happy with that. So all's well ends well, but I must say this is not a cheap solution. This is quite an expensive finish. So I can actually bought myself a brand new stainless steel Delcavic system for the price of getting this exhaust system restored. So it's not cheap at all. They do, however, do various finishes. You can get this in black, in silver, you can have a sort of chrome-like finish. So there are quite a few choices of different colours, even blues and yellows and pinks and God knows what else. So if you do have an old exhaust system that you want to keep, want to restore, then certainly this is an option. It's not a cheap option, but at least it is out there. So yeah, so this system is now going to be waiting in its box until this bike is finished, the engine's complete, and we can get this system on the bike. And so that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and cheers.